Hey guys, Eric here with another quick video. Be sure to subscribe for more content just like this. And I got a question the other day about WordPress. When I set up my WordPress, why do I not see the actual site? Now, what I did was I've got a new domain here, and when you go to your dashboard, this is what you see in the very beginning, and a lot of some things are just by default in the WordPress. Let's see here, if I go to visit site, and what you'll see, it says coming soon active, and I was just kind of messing around with some stuff on here already. But if you want to see your site and you want to look at it in the incognito window, for instance, and I take this and then I go ahead and I copy and I hit to the incognito window, but now in the incognito window it says website coming soon. Now if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see, to launch your site, just click the link in the banner at the top of the screen. That's if you are the site owner. So let's go back. So nothing here on the front end, but let's go back to the dashboard. And what you'll notice inside the dashboard is where you're going to click. Here you are, coming soon, active, dashboard. Your site is currently displaying a coming soon page. Once you are ready to launch your site, click here. It's as simple as that. Okay, now let's go back and do the incognito window again. And you may have to give it a second, but there it goes. So now it actually works. And that's how you fix the coming soon.